Let's take a look at how to integrate with Google Workspace. It's important to note that the Google Workspace integration only applies to Engage and Discover. There is no Google functionality in Secure. Before we can integrate with Google Workspace, we'll have to add the customer to Augmentt first. Navigate to Configuration and then Companies. Now click on Add Company in the top right corner, put in the customer's name, decide if you want to auto-assign licenses, and then create the company. Now that the company has been created, navigate to Configuration and then Integrations. Click on the Sign In with Google button in the Google Workspace box. Enter your Google Workspace admin credentials. Check the boxes to allow Augmentt to access the different components in the Google Workspace environment, and click Continue. After the integration has connected, you can navigate back to the Integrations tab in Augmentt to make sure it was successful.